1999 fighter jets. They're pretty cool. Wait, if 1999 fighter jets live 1999 fighter jet lives, then how do they do that if 1999 fighter jets don't live? Hey, Johnny! Hey, so I got some bad news. So the government doesn't like the fact that we have fighter jets, and we're gonna have to give them to the government. But don't worry, you don't have to do any of it. I'll take care of it. What gave it away? My name's not Johnny. Congratulations, you figured it out. Wait a minute, who'd want to steal fighter jets? Wait a minute. Pig. Yes, it was me. And that gun will be useless. I struck this entire building with bombs. You kill me, everything goes down, including the fighter jets. Yay! I don't have to kill you. I'll stop your operation. No matter what. Technically, I didn't lose our last encounter. What? And I managed to get a single fighter jet. No. And I managed to merge you with the fighter jet. You're lying. Fighter jet, power off. Oh no. I failed. Wait a minute. If I am part human and part fighter jet, he may be able to turn off the fighter jet, but I'm still part human, and you can't turn off a human. I can't let him win! I beat you once, I can beat you again. I've been stalling you the entire time. We already have the fighter jets. They're already in the air. Wait a minute. With the cons of a fighter jet come the pros.